Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to open a Mazda key fob. Firstly, press the release latch or button on the back of the key fob. Pull out the metal emergency key, which is the valid key. Some older Mazda key fobs may require inserting a screwdriver into a release tab to remove the key. Now with the key removed, look for a small slot on either side of the fob seam. These are the split points where the fob comes apart. Now wrap the screwdriver tip with a cloth to avoid scratches and insert the screwdriver into one of the ply slots. Gently twist the screwdriver until the fob pops up open and repeat the opposite side if needed, then pull out two halves apart gently with your fingers. Locate and remove the old battery. Place the new one with the correct orientation. Now align both halves on the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, then reinsert the metal auxiliary key. Now press lock or unlock buttons to ensure everything is working nicely. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.